We have also the pleasure to have Professor Piesiewcz also from Poland, SWPS University, and Professor Piesiewcz is going to speak about the role of the Bar Association during the COVID epidemic, giving a Polish perspective. Thank you so much, Professor.
Thank you, Giulio. Thank you very much for having me here. It's very nice to speak to you all via cyber bridge. I have to say it's my second convento, online convento, but it's very nice to have you all here in my home. Thank you, Carlo, for invitation. And I would like to share firstly my my screen to show the. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, you can see my screen. Okay, can you see the presentation?
Yeah, we can see the presentation.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I would like to talk about the role of the Bar Association during the COVID epidemic. It's a Polish perspective. Polish perspective, which regards the coronavirus epidemic, the mediation issue. First of all, I would like to mention that mediation mediation center at the Supreme Bar Council starts a national remote dispute resolution program. So at the moment, I would like to tell you something about how the problem of online mediation during the COVID-19 epidemic era have been solved by the Polish Bar Association. Of course, spreading COVID-19 pandemic not only affects the economy, but also the functioning of the courts and the possibility of conducting courts proceeding, which has a direct impact on the practice of lawyer. So as Dr. Olga Piaskowska said, of course, many cases now in front of the court are suspended. So in response to this situation, the Mediation Center at the Supreme Bar Council, in cooperation with the mediation coordinators of all bar associations in different districts of Poland, began a national-wide project of judicial and extrajudicial online mediation. And of course, the center prepares for conducting online mediation have been going over 2 weeks. And I have to say that all this preparation for the online mediation were very quick, so very fast. So the Polish Bar Association were acting very fast, and I have to say that I'm kind of proud of, because they respond for the situation very quickly. So of course, what are the reasons? Though online mediation can reduce the number of cases where the proceedings are not conducted due to the inability to access court files and set hearings. Of course, all the all the building of the courts now are closed. So there is no possibility to access the files, and all the hearings are suspended. So what actions have been taken by the Mediation Center? First of all, the Mediation Center has appointed a team to coordinate to conduct of online mediation proceedings. So what I have to say that there is a special team in the Mediation Center, which acts next to the, of course, Bar Association, which is responsible to coordinate implementation of online mediation proceedings. Secondly, Mediation Center create a list of attorney mediations ready to conduct mediation proceedings online. So now we can say that every citizen which enters, which checks online on the website of mediation center can pick up an attorney which is ready to conduct mediation proceedings online. So it's quite easy to now find the mediators which can conduct such a mediation online. So the mediation center project includes both the court mediation. So during the proceedings which are suspended, the party can go to the online mediation, and out of court mediation basis on the mediation agreement. So in the field of the contractual mediation, when the court proceedings are not suspended, the mediation center at the Supreme Bar Council wants to meet the current situation and will submit a request to the Supreme Bar Council to amend the regulations regarding the abolition of registration fee. So we can say that the center mediation would like to go further to abolish the fee registration. So we can say that the party can begin mediation for free. So consequently, that means that the cost of mediation will be reduced, and the reducing cost of the mediation may encourage party to join online mediation. Another topic is that if the rules of the mediation proceeding at the mediation center at the Supreme Advocate Council can allow you to mediate online generally. So there are two paragraphs which treats about the mediation online. First of all is paragraph 5. According to this paragraph, a request to invite mediation proceeding may be submitted in writing or in electronic form to the email address of the center. And secondly, according with the paragraph 6, mediation meeting can also be conducted using available electronic means of distance communication. So the conclusion is that the regulation provides the possibility of conducting mediation online. And what about technical issue? I have to say that now the mediation center has prepared a special online forms, thanks to which you can apply for the mediation online. As you can see, of course, it's a Polish screenshot with the Polish. This is where you can put your data of your part. This is the other part of the mediation. This is the short description of the case. You can choose the mediator, your mediator, and you can attach some attachments, and you can simply send the application for the mediation. It's simple as that, just to push this button. So everything can be done online via video conferencing, and all the necessary documents can be exchanged by the parties or copies via qualified electronic signature. So, and all the necessary documents contain necessary information can be directly obtained from the parties. So all we can say that according to the technical issue and regarding the regulation, we can say that Polish Bar Association and the Mediation Center now is conducting mediation online, and they're prepared for such a mediation. Moreover, what is next? But it's very interesting this is what I would like to say at the end, that the draft of amendment of the Code of Ethics introducing new regulation, the regulation that that shows that there is obligation to inform the client about other forms of dispute resolution. It's likely that the advocate will soon to be required to inform the client about the possibility of amicable settlement of the dispute in the form of the mediation proceeding, which can be, of course, conducted online. So the conclusion is, as I said, that Polish Bar Association has prepared all the technical issue and regulation issue to the online mediation. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much for having me here. Thank you, Carlo, for the invitation. I hope we will meet soon in person. Thank you.